तो क्या तुम्हारे भी बोर्ड एग्जाम्स खत्म हो गए हैं एंड यू आर प्लानिंग टू एनरोल इन PW's Arjuna GE batch, also looking for a honest review from a senior before heading into it? So my dear friends, this video is for you. Hi everyone, Prince this side, and today in this particular video, I am going to cover all the major points of this batch in detail and will be sharing my 2 years experience with you all. So stay connected in video till the very end. So let's get started without any further delay.
मैंने वो अर्जुना के लेक्चर देखे, फिर पहला वो इलिप्स हाइपरबोला का टेस्ट था, तो पहली बार मैंने सोल्व किए तो उसमें 80 नंबर आए।
मतलब स्कूल के दोस्तों से मुझे पता चला फिजिक्स वाला के बारे में, तब फिर मैंने फिगर आउट करके ज्वाइन किया अर्जुना।
आपको पीडब्ल्यू का पता लगा, फिर आपने अर्जुना बैच एनरोल किया।
क्लास 11 में अर्जुना 1.0 से तैयारी शुरू कर दी थी। तो और ना मैंने ना 11 में अर्जुना लक्ष्य पे वरुण मैं प्रॉपर स्कूल से था, मेरे 12th का लेक्चर हो गया।
पहली बार फिजिक्स वाला को कब जाने, अर्जुना जेई बैच कब लिया, ये सब कब लिया, सही उसी टाइम पे हुआ था जो दिवाली ब्रेक होता है और जब 11th का एक कोर्स ऑलमोस्ट खत्म होने वाला था।
इंजीनियर्स बनने की जो पहली सीढ़ी है वो है अर्जुना जी, ठीक है। आईआईटीएन बनने की, एनआईटीएन बनने की पहली सीढ़ी है अर्जुना जी।
अगर पहले हम कंटेंट की बात करें तो डिटेल लाइव लेक्चर्स ऑफ एवरी चैप्टर इज प्रोवाइडेड along with the class notes of the same in PDF format. DPPs are also provided in both quiz and PDF form, which you can solve as per your convenience. Chapter-wise mind maps and short notes are also there to assist you, but I will suggest कि तुम अपने short notes खुद से बनाओ। हाँ, उनसे रेफरेंस ज़रूर ले सकते हो। NCERT discussion for every chapter and board pattern test are also there, which will help you to ace your school exams. Part test and full-length mock test of both JEE Mains and JEE Advanced pattern are also conducted every alternate Sunday, जिनकी फ्रिक्वेंसी बाय द टाइम बढ़ती जाती है। ऑल्सो ऑल इंडिया मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज AITS भी होती है, in which you can easily check your level of preparation. Also, you are getting Uday batch for school exams, but believe me, just focus on Arjuna. You will be prepared for school exams too. क्लास नोट्स और DPPs करने के बाद you need a perfect study material to practice more and more, and here comes the Arjuna JEE modules. Now I know some of you will ask कि are they sufficient for JEE or not? The only thing I will say कि PW has a great R&D team and they have really improved their study material over the period of time. Modules along with class notes and previous year questions are more than enough for JEE Mains, and for JEE Advanced there is nothing like enough. You need to practice more and more as much. For advance, strong command and concepts is required, which is taught by the highly experienced faculties of PW. As Alexa already revealed faculties, I will take a moment to talk about them. First, and one of my favorite faculty, Salim Ahmad sir will be there to make you fall in love with physics. मैंने अपनी पूरी 11th-12th सर से ही पढ़ी है, and believe me guys, एक बार सर से पढ़ के देखो, you will get to know how he gives his 200% in every single lecture. Now for mathematics, we have none other than दी सचिन झाकर सर, जो कि आपको मैथमेटिक्स में एकदम बेसिक से लेके एडवांस लेवल तक ले जाएंगे। आई नो काफ़ी सारे लोगों का एक कंसर्न रहता है कि विल दे टीच अस फ्रॉम बेसिक और नॉट, सो बिलीव मी गाइज दे विल टीच यू फ्रॉम वेरी बेसिक टू एडवांस लेवल. Moving forward to chemistry, for physical, we have one of the most passionate teacher of physical chemistry, Mr. Rahul Dudi sir. And moving forward to organic chemistry, one of the most experienced faculty of chemistry in PW, Mr. Pankaj Sedaria sir is there for you to teach organic chemistry. Now last but not the least, Om Pandey sir for organic chemistry is there for you. People say organic chemistry is a theoretical subject, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा रटना होता है, but believe me guys, Om sir explains in such a way कि complex topics भी becomes very easy to understand. At the end, I will say you can watch demo lectures of these faculties in back sections or simply by just searching it on YouTube. Now let's compare the different variants of Arjuna batch with their features. In normal one, you will get live lectures by top faculties, PDF plus handwritten notes, DPPs with video solutions, regular test with discussion, 24/7 doubt solving, and in Infinity One, you will get all the features of normal one with Khazana. You will get content of all the teachers which was delivered in some previous batches, preparation meter, test pass, which will allow you to access different mock test series of PW, AITS, All India mock test series, free access to all upcoming versions of Arjuna, infinite practice feature. Now let's talk about Infinity Pro, which is newly introduced by PW. In this, you will get all the features of Infinity One with Sarthi, modules, one-on-one mentorship by top IITians and NITians, career and admission guidance by expert, real test series of PW, which is an X Factor, and some PW goodies. But I will recommend you to at least go with Infinity One. Baki normal batch is more than enough for you. And if you want many more features, you can go with Infinity Pro 1 also. As this is an honest review, now I am going to tell you some advantages and disadvantages of this batch. In online, where you can study at your own pace, but when you have this option, you end up delaying things for later. To avoid this, what you can do is just attend lectures live and do homework daily. Similarly, when you have access to lots of resources, like studying a subject from different teachers or solving different material for a particular subject, you get confused between the options and end up doing nothing. फॉर दिस आई विल सजेस्ट यू कि आप अपने बैच को ही ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करो। हाँ, अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर टीचर से आपकी फ्रिक्वेंसी मैच नहीं होती है, in that case you can change the teacher for the same subject. Otherwise, just follow your batch. As it's an online batch and everybody can't study online, it requires a lot of discipline and consistently. If you don't have that, you get distracted somewhere and start procrastinating things and end up doing nothing at the end of the session. Also, spamming in PW batches is very common, but the good part is that tech team works constantly on that throughout the session. Also, teachers are there to assist you at every step. If you want me to guide you in this, just feel free to drop a comment below. I will try to help you out. So, if I conclude all this, if you are someone who studied online in grade 10th, or if you are someone who never studied online, trying it for the first time, I will say you should definitely go with Arjuna batch as it's the best online batch for JEE at this price point, and I also had a great experience studying at PW. If you are going to buy Arjuna or any other batch of PW, you can use my coupon code for extra discount. Hope you liked this video. If that's the case, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, feel free to comment your queries below, and consider subscribing if you think I am creating any value. So guys, this was Prince signing off. Thank you very much.